Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you how I'm making soft flatbread. It's very easy to make. You will need only 4 ingredients, which is plain flour, salt, butter and milk. And it will take around an hour of your time. So let's start it. In a small pot add 185 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of unsalted butter and half a teaspoon of salt. Using a stove, melt the butter and warm up milk. Make sure it's not hot, just warm. Then I'll use a bigger bowl and I'll add 300 grams of plain flour. You can use any plain flour. Now you can add milk mixture to the flour. Combine well and then you start kneading for around 2 minutes. If the dough is too wet, you can always add another teaspoon or tablespoon of flour. Just be careful, add it slowly. When the dough is done, cover the dough and leave it to the side for around 30 minutes. In the meantime, finely chop some garlic and parsley and add it to butter, or you can also use olive oil. If you don't have salted butter in your country, just add a pinch of salt. While I'm chopping garlic and parsley, I would like to use the opportunity and just ask you if you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel to grow. Parsley and garlic are chopped, so let's put it on a stove and melt the butter. Make sure that the temperature is not too hot so you don't burn garlic. So when you see the garlic browning just a little bit, take it off the stove. Let's transfer it straight to the bowl to stop cooking. Keep the mixture to the side for later use. Now let's transfer the dough onto floured surface. The dough is quite soft but not sticky. I prefer making a long sausage shape and then I cut into 6 equal pieces. But you can make it round or you can just make it your way. It's nice that all of them are similar size. However, it's not right or wrong. Now roll the dough into a soft ball. Now roll each of them into the round medium-sized shape. Don't press too hard and don't make the dough too thin. Now repeat the same step with the others. As you can see, they are not too thin and the dough is medium soft. So now using a non-stick pan, heat it up on a medium temperature. You don't need to use any oil, just add the dough onto the pan. Cook for around 2 minutes on medium heat on one side. You will see the dough start puffing up. You can help with a spatula to press a little bit, which you will see in a second. You see how I'm lifting and it puffs up. After 2 minutes, flip around and cook for another minute or two. I keep my flatbread covered because we all like soft flatbread, but if you prefer more crispy and crunchy flatbread, you can keep it uncovered. Top up with a warm butter mixture or olive oil mixture, whichever you prefer, and serve with your meal. That's how easy it is. So you will make around 6 flatbreads. Or you prefer more, you just double the mixture. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, like and share my video to your friends, and I will post another video in a week's time.